In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal button to your Squarespace site. Adding a PayPal button can be incredibly beneficial if you're looking to facilitate transactions directly from your website. So, let's get started on making your site more commerce ready. First, navigate to Elfsight apps by simply entering their website address into your browser. Elfsight offers a range of customizable widgets that you can add to your site to enhance its functionality and aesthetic appeal. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look for the option labeled Widgets. Clicking on this will take you to a comprehensive library of different tools and widgets you can use. Next, in the search bar, type PayPal. This will streamline your search and lead you straight to the necessary tools for integrating PayPal on your site. As a result, you should see PayPal button appear. Click on this to begin the process of configuring your button. Now select Create Widget for free. Here, Elfsight offers you the ability to start creating your custom PayPal button without any upfront cost. At this stage, you'll be prompted to select a template. These templates are designed to simplify the process, allowing you to choose a button style that best matches your website's design and your business needs. With your template selected, move ahead by clicking on Publish. This is a crucial step because it generates the code needed to embed the widget on your Squarespace page. You'll also choose the free plan at this point, which enables you to use the button without any initial investment. After publishing, you'll see the Copy Code option appear. Simply click on this and the embed code will be copied to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into your Squarespace website. Now head over to your Squarespace account. Once you're in, navigate to the screen where you can edit your site and look for the Add Block option. Click on it to reveal a variety of blocks you can add to your page. From this list, choose Embed. After selecting Embed, click on Edit, then select the code snippet. It's here that you'll paste the code you previously copied from Elfsight. This embeds the PayPal button into your site, making it functional and ready for your visitors to use. Finally, with everything in place, and to ensure your modifications are saved, click on Save. This last step secures the changes you've made and ensures that your PayPal button is live on your Squarespace site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a PayPal button to your Squarespace site, creating a smoother experience for your customers by allowing them to make purchases directly through PayPal. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips on enhancing your website functionality.